Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jay back for another episode of what is this, week 11 of the 6-week house flip. So, for y'all that don't know, my name is Jay Nacombe. I flipped over 100 houses in the past 7 years. So, walk with me as we give you a quick update of week 11. As you can see, I've got the landscape coming in. As you can see, I currently got the landscape going in right now. I'm working hard to make this place look like something good. Once we get the listing live and the photos finished, it's gonna look real good. But before, in the last week, it was tons of bushes here. Tons of bushes. Now it's gonna look a lot cleaner. Alright, so far from last week, not too much has changed. I got some feedback on the trim. Some people didn't like it. They said they prefer it to be like more like clean. Like my guy tried to put like a trim. I don't know if you could see like this kind of etched out framed look. But a lot of people were saying maybe you should just keep it raw and clean and just do away with the trim. So I'm gonna have to blue tape that, have them come back and knock that out. Also, last week you were supposed to have the electrician come. Still ain't pop up yet. Hopefully next week he should come in and tie up these loose ends to knock it out and get it done. Because we need that before we order the appliances and put the finishing touches. In the kitchen, the granite came in, which is looking nice and clean with the all white, sparkling white look. Also, we got the faucet in. It's supposed to be like a two-way faucet situation, nice and fancy, but I don't want to mess nothing up right now. But yeah, we got the doorknobs in, the cabinets, the hardware. We got, yeah, it's starting to come along. It's starting to look like a finished product. Alright, so let me take you outside to the backyard. Show you what we got going on back there. Normally I don't come back here, but I just want to show y'all something real quick. Before, it was a bunch of overgrown vines, bushes, what have you. Landscape today, he came out, cleaned it, put a nice clean mulch bed. So when I get my trash guy to come pick up this trash, it's gonna look more homier and a nice vibe out here, you know? I can see it already. I hope you could. Alright. It's back. You wanna walk downstairs? Let's walk in the basement. Gotta wash your head. Wash your head. The ceilings down here are super low, so I don't really want to do too much with the finishes. We did flooring, paint. And we put a full bathroom down here as well. So as you can see, we got the flooring in, we got the vanity. Faucet is in, the mirror's not up. The vanity light should be in. Fan light is in, which is cool. So once the electrician comes in, he'll just tie everything in. But that's pretty much it. But down here, this nice full bath. And as we go upstairs, alright. So yeah, Yeah, we like 90% done, man. Just gotta tie in the loose ends. We gotta redo this door. My guy forgot to prime. So I told him to scrape this off and come back and prime it first, then apply the paint. Upstairs, pretty much the same from last week. Only difference is the doorknobs. We got the doorknobs in. These nice fancy doorknobs. Nice fancy doorknobs. But yeah, everything is done. It's just electrical to come in and put the finishing touches. I just hope that he don't put too much holes in the walls and in the floors, so that way we don't gotta repaint too much and redo away the carpet. I just hope he just clean cuts. One thing I noticed about this one is the door swings outward, which is kind of weird, because the rest of them swing inward. You know what I mean? This door swings inward, which is cool, but this one swings outward. I don't know if I'm gonna tell him to redo this. Considering this is week 11 of the 6-week house flip, I don't know if you got the time to be doing stuff like this. But we'll just keep it as is. And the bathroom. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom is looking good, looking real clean, looking real finished, looking real polished. Finally starting to look like a bathroom. You know what I mean? Got the towels in. We got the trim laid. It's just, you know, putting the finishing touches, but we got the vanity in. This looks like a HGTV style bathroom, you know what I mean? And this is the best part about house flipping, when you see your final vision come into fruition. That's the best part. The best part for sure. So, yeah, it's pretty much done, you know? The only thing we gotta do is tie in the electric. Make sure the lights is working. Besides the touching up, that's pretty much it. I feel real good. I feel real good about this project. I feel real good. I feel real good. So that's pretty much it. For week 11 of the 6-week house flip. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit the like button, comment. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know some feedback, you know. Y'all like the color schemes? Would y'all prefer the panel to be wrapped around? Let me know. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for more of this weekly content, all right? See y'all in the next video. Peace.